We're very happy that we are all here to learn new things, especially about AI.
It adds value to how we do things as an accountant, not just a bookkeeper. It's not the bookkeeping side that is really exciting me, but it's more on the transformational CPA that I would do.
Right now, in just less than 24 hours, I can already say that we can develop the missing link to have really a fully working ERP software that I could say with this century AI.